Yes guys, so I'm using Google to search. So you're gonna try and find cars and cats on the CAA website. So you're gonna type there on your search engine www.caa.co.za, this one. Then okay, let's continue. Yes, you're gonna go to this page. Yeah? So you're gonna go to this page www.caa.co.za. So from this point you wanna press your three bars there in the middle on at the top, your three bars, and then it's gonna just slide down the bar, and then you're gonna go to quick find. Press quick find, then you're gonna go to what? Legislations. Then from legislations you're gonna go to regulations. From regulations, after pressing regulations, you're gonna go to what? Civil Aviation Regulations 2011. Those are your cars. Then you're gonna press that, then it's gonna show you the parts. So you can see these are all the parts. Part 1. So for RPS people, for drone people, you're gonna need to know what part 1, part 12, part 67, part 71, part 91, part 101, part 187, fees and charges. So you can press on part 101. It's gonna show you what you need to know, regulations about cats, your US what operations information. This information you just need to know it, but you're not gonna be asked questions on it. So it's for your own knowledge. And then you can go back, and then let's go to technical standards, which is CATS, Civil Aviation Technical Standards. Yes, we're gonna do the same thing again. Just quick find legislations, you go to technical standards, and then those are your technical standards. There is CATS 1, where is CATS 12? Okay, then you have your 67 here and your 71 here, and then you have your part 101 there. So those are your what you call your technical standards. So you can get your technical standards. So they are separated into generals, flights, and what. So this is where you get all your cats. Even on cats, you can press cats 101. You see, let's press 101 this, because already the definitions are explained that side, so it won't show us here. See, let's press CATS 12. So you see, then it has parts when I tell you procedures to be followed, and you need to follow the exact procedures. So that's your CATS. So I hope you guys you've seen and understood. If you didn't, go back and look at the steps we did. Thank you.